Okay, it's currently raining outside. I know I did this, like another time ago, but, these people, I didn't ask them to be in the video, but they just came. Sorry, just look at it, tomorrow, August 14th, I will be posting my 6 years anniversary on YouTube. But yeah, we have just arrived in the front. Looks more of a snow than here on the camera, but I'll just let you look at that. But yeah, let's actually go outside and take a view. Yeah, I do see some kids around over there. And through there. Don't know if I know it there, but yeah. If we look right over there, what's all this? What's all this? What's all this? Oh wow. Why did I decide to show you all the rain? And I'm literally in it. What's all that? There's a lot of smoke here. Like right here, there's a lot of smoke. I wonder why actually. I think there's a car that's coming along and it has it, but yeah. My mom's car, wow. Just look at her windows of the car. And the smoke is back and it's coming further. What's all this? Wow. And I'm using my dad's phone for the recording. But yeah, I might want to change my pants. I don't have any shoes. So I kind of use my pants as my shoes to see on the trail mic around here. But yeah, the smoke is coming more bigger. I'm recording this for two reasons. One, just in case something happens and I need to show police the evidence for things. And two, just for your entertainment and purposes. I'd probably show any people for no reason. Just in case they do something suspicious. And they have to be shown to the police. But look at all this smoke and rain. Let's get back into where there's no rain coming, but look at all of this. Yeah. What is all this rain? It's just, wow. And there's lots of smoke. I'm just gonna record all the smoke I can for any evidence. It's probably, if this is a fire, someone might have to call 911. It's just I don't smell any fires, and besides, it's raining, so, we don't really need to call 911 during the rain because, what the firemen do is put it out with water, and rain is just technically water. It's just basically water. So we might not need to call the fire department, the nearest fire department, to put all this fire out, because the rain is already doing their jobs. But I just want to say this disclaimer. During these tough times of coronavirus, we all thank the hospitals, doctors, and nurses who are trying to cure the sick people with COVID-19. We thank you. It's turning to be a little more bright and a little more clearer to the smoke. Like, it's very clear over here if we zoom in. Right now it's not really done raining. It's still raining, but it's turning a bit day and slowing down a bit. We have lots of smoke coming out. I might need to tell my dad now. Okay, so I just came back from inside. When I was talking to my dad about what the team was, it's really since it's getting hot, we are seeing like the sun evaporate all the rain, and I said this it is coming onto our lane where we live, and yeah, I'm gonna go under here so I don't get wet. I just took a shower. I don't want to take another shower, but yeah. Here's the rain. If you can see the concrete leading to my front door, it is really wet, and when the rain stops, the sun might take all of this rain and evaporate it, which will turn into more rain. But now that I'm staring at this, it's becoming a bit weird, and I don't know if you kept staring at the floor, but I saw some humongous footprint or headprint, but I don't know what it really is. But let's just keep looking at the rain, and yeah. You can still see the steam coming from the main lane of my neighborhood. It's coming like from over there. It's coming from the like over there, coming down my lane. I'm not gonna say my lane because fans and random people will just view this video and say, "Ooh, I want to visit this kid. I want to visit him. Just don't. If you saw it, just don't visit. Please don't. But if you didn't see it, good. I'm not telling you anyway. If you know, just don't visit. You might know where I live because I sometimes do my videos outdoors, like this one, and some of the bicycle kick video. Did I do it inside? No, I did it inside. I showed you a video that other time, switching from the back to the front of the house, showing the outside, showing you the rain. But yeah, you might not want to visit. Let's let the camera sit. So the camera has sat down and we are looking at the rain just fall onto the ground. I don't know if you can actually see it because it's a bit light. If I look away from the camera, I can see it clear, but when I look at the camera, I don't really see it. I just see a little bit darkness, and I look to the ground and I see it's a little wet, but not too wet. But you can hear the sounds of the rain and cars and yeah. It's a really nice day to actually be raining. I usually do one of the two things on YouTube. Record a video, but when I'm not recording or being live, I'll just be watching some YouTube when I'm on YouTube. But when I'm not on YouTube, like let's say doing some homework, I'll be on the laptop, like on this site that the teacher wants us to be on, and he'll be saying, okay, do this. I want you to do this. This is an assignment I gave you. But yeah, we're not talking about school life now. But for school, I might have to watch a video or two. Not because willy-nilly, why not? No, it's because it's something educational. But I guess I'll end this video here. Can you like, subscribe, share, and that other stuff? Thanks. Bye.